Hi, so I'm Dr. Carl Costco from the Extended Reality Initiative at Kent State University, and I'm just going to show you very quickly how once you have a 360 video, either recording yourself or going on, say, the XRI channel on YouTube, you can watch this on your phone. So I know not everyone has an Oculus Go or Oculus Quest or whatever type of dedicated headset. So if you don't have one of those, the next option is to use something that's based off of your phone. I mean, you can watch it on a flat panel screen like a laptop or your phone, but if you want to watch in VR mode, then here's some very basic, quick instructions. And I have a few different options here. So the very first thing you do is you go to your YouTube channel that you're going to go to, and I'm going to go to the XRI page. I'm going to make sure my volume's off first. I'm going to click on this, and I can see that if I move, this moves with me. And I'm going to turn this just to get landscape mode. I'm going to tap it once, and you can see, well, when I tap it, I can pause it and whatnot, but there at the bottom is a little icon that once I press, watch in VR, I'm going to hit continue. This has to be through the YouTube app, by the way, and it's in VR mode. Now, putting this up to my face, it doesn't really help. So there's a couple of options. First, there are these nice cheapo type of headsets. I got this from Walmart. I think when it's not on sale, it's about $5, but you can just slide your phone in here and then close it and watch. It's not bad. Obviously, it's not as good as, say, an Oculus headset or whatever your preference is there. This is a mini VR glasses. You can get them pretty cheap online as well. This is a little bit better because it blocks out the light. But if you have one of these, you can just slide it on. And I'm going to show you, when I slide it on, I just want to make sure that I'm getting that dividing line down this, there's a little tiny line on the screen. And you do that for whatever phone-based device you have. And then if I put this on, I want to make sure to kind of adjust it where it's positioned on my head, because depending on how your eyes are set in your head, you need to do that so it doesn't make you cross-eyed. And then I can look around and it works pretty decently. Here's another version of mini VR glasses. Again, pretty cheap. You can buy them online if you're trying to get for a whole group. You can do that. And I'm going to show you right here on these, there's a little divot to show you where that dividing line should go. So I'm going to just slide it in. And whenever I put this on, I might adjust it a little bit. And then I can look in all directions. But that's the basics of how to go about doing that. And if I want to get out of this, I just hit back. Looks like I dropped my phone there. So again, just to remind you to use the YouTube app on your phone. If you don't do that, it won't really work very well. If you open this on a web browser, you want to make sure that it opens to the YouTube app. Vimeo has similar types of content. I prefer YouTube just because XR has a channel on there. But there you go. Those are the basics.